everyone, welcome back to Lori's Tech Time. I appreciate you watching my videos and subscribing. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today I have a new Gadget Discovery Club unboxing. This is a subscription box that I get once a month. It's not a real expensive box, so I don't expect like real expensive thousands of dollars worth of electronics coming in, but it's just a nice surprise that I get every month and I share it with you guys. So let's see what I got today. A Dimension VR headset. Yeah, like I said, this is probably not like the most expensive VR headset out there. Let's take a look. Compatible with any smartphone. Experience a limitless reality. I've never used a VR headset. Don't know what to expect with this thing. There you go. That's what it looks like. Big and chunky. And how you put your phone in there. Here's the instructions. So I take this off. Okay. Okay. Then I guess that's enough room. Oh, it comes out like this. Okay. And then you put your phone in there. Then you lay it down. I guess you roll it back down. I don't know about this phone. Ugh. Wow. Okay. Kind of hurts my head. It's adjustable. So I guess anything like a game or video that's VR compatible that you can see it through this. Okay. It has some recommended applications to use. Zombie Shooter VR, VR Sniper, Expeditions, Netflix VR, GoPro VR. Okay. Interesting. I'll try it out and let you guys know when I think about it. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and those notification bells. Turn them on so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching.